So I said that IKE is a key exchange protocol, and it's made up of two other protocols, Oakley and IPSec. So what are these protocols, what are they doing? Well, the IPSec, which is really Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol, which is just too long, so that's why we call it IPSec. And so basically its job is to set up what can be negotiated, because there's going to be, and we're going to go through, look at how the administrator chooses what can be negotiated, but it's, there's different algorithms, symmetric algorithms, asymmetric algorithms, hashing algorithms, there's different protocols we're going to look at. So there's all these things that have to be agreed upon during this handshake. And so the IPSec basically sets up the what can be negotiated, what components. And then Oakley is doing the agreement, carrying out the key agreement process, and it's the one that's doing the negotiation using Diffie-Hellman in that first phase. So you don't need to know to a great degree of Oakley and IPSec. You do need to know that those two work together to create IKE. IKE works at the network layer, because that's where IPSec works, and it actually replaced an older key exchange protocol called SCIP. SCIP was an older protocol that worked at the network layer, and IKE is really just the replacement, the new one.